Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to see your Roblox password and how to find out your Roblox password. First go to your Roblox account. Scroll down, tap on more, scroll down, tap on setting, tap on account information, scroll down, tap on password. There are no option, don't worry. Let's go back. Go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on Google account, tap one password manager, scroll down, tap there are the password option, tap on Roblox, see your Roblox password. Thank you watching my video.